Hi, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to grow radish, which is one of the easiest vegetable to grow. So it takes about 45 days and then you can harvest them. So as you can see this section, I have already harvested most of them and I'm going to harvest them later on. I'm going to show you how to put the seed down. So I buy these 3 or 4 different kind. I just mix them so that when you harvest, you can have a different variety of radish. So radish doesn't need a lot of space. You can just between like 2 to 3 centimeters apart. So let's harvest them. I have been harvesting these guys for the last few weeks. Also, when the radish are growing up, I put some mulch down. So in this case, I use dried leaves. So that helps to retain the moisture and also it makes it grow faster.